Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing Num Nom Snackables. I've been always wanting to unbox one of these, and now I finally can, because I actually got this for clearance for $3.50. And it says it's going to come with slime, so that's a good thing. And I also have my slime container. It still has a little bit of slime in it though. I also have scissors just in case. So, before we start, you have to watch DIY Galaxy Slime. I will teach you how to make it in the corner. Okay, now, let's open it. So, there's tape on it. We have to peel it off. I can't wait to see which Num Nom we get. And if you didn't know this, I have lots of slime videos for you to check out. Just check it out in the slime playlist up at that corner. Ooh, look at this. So this is the front and then this is the back. That's cute. Now we have to open this. It's a box and it says what does a slice of toast wear to bed? Get cooking. Oh, there's also a fork on this side and a knife on this side. Okay, here it feels like we have some cool surprises. Let's get everything out of the box. Let's see what's here. Oh, it just says get cooking, but the answer to what does a slice of toast wear to bed is A, jammies. Okay, now we're going to check out the collector's guide. Okay, let's see what we will get. Oh, in the Snackables, they also come with these pizzas. And there's also eggs, crackers, bagels, ice cream sandwiches, yum, BLTs, breads, and sweets. There's also fruits, yolks, chocolates, gummies, savory, sweets, and then there's also scented secret slimes. You can get a fluffy ice cream slime, spreadable slime, pizza slime, egg slime. Which slime will you get? Scoop, crack, smear, smushy Num Noms, slice. Okay. Let's open these. First, let's go on this side because we are going to get slime. Okay, before we open one, guess which one we'll get in the comment section down below. I'm going to give you 5 seconds, so you guys have to pause the video if you need more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you did it, then be sure to subscribe because that gives you extra luck. Okay, let's see this. First, I think this is important. So which slime will you get? You can get these. So let's open it. First, we have to read it. Quick start. Before beginning, cover the play area to prevent possible damage. Use your go-to container packaging as a play surface to protect the surrounding area from slime damage. Use your slime to turn your character combinations into unique treats. Smear, scoop, crack. Important information. Contents are not real food. Do not eat the slime dip, crust, or toppings. as they are not for human consumption. Okay, let's open this. Okay, if you guess it right, then be sure to subscribe. We got a knife, and we also got the spoon. Scoop. They're cute. An ice cream scoop. Let's see what we have in here. It's your time to guess. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can pause the video if you want. I'm going to open it, so be sure to pause. Okay, let's see what is inside. We got lettuce. I love lettuce. I wonder what that is. I guess we better check. So first we got lily lettuce. That is cute. And then we're gonna see if we can find this little fellow. I think from the fruits. Looks like we got Banana Boo. That makes sense because this is a monkey. I love bananas. Okay. Let's open this. It's your time to guess and comment down below. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you can pause the video if you need more time. It's open. Okay, so we got another knife to spread and another spoon. Weren't we supposed to get one slime? It said, let me get the box. And it says it's supposed to come with a slime. That's what it's supposed to come with. But instead, we got 2 ice cream scoopers. And we got 2 of these. These are identical. We might have to do this video again, but if we're going to do a part 2, then be sure to stick around. Okay, so it says which slime will you get? Or you can get this one. Or there's a character and slime hidden in the egg. Is there an egg? So we got this one and this one in the package. So we got C and C. But why did we get 2 of these? You guys, let's do the part 2 with this. So be sure to check that video out. It's so disappointed because I know there's no way that we were supposed to get 2 of these. But now in the next video we're going to get 3 of them. Or 4, or 5, or 6, or 7, or 8, or 9, and 10. Or like any number. But these are cute. At least we got different colors. But this one, same color. Okay. So, at least we got the lettuce and the banana. That's cute. So, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell. Like. And comment down below. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share this video. Bye.